This isn't just construction, it's precision under pressure. At Discover Tech, we salute the Dozer pros who shape the earth like sculptors and face danger like warriors. One wrong move can mean disaster, but they make it look effortless. Let's dig in. Recovering a frozen-in tractor in just 10 days under harsh winter conditions highlights both the resilience and technical proficiency of these Russian workers. Operating in sub-zero environments demands exceptional skill and physical endurance, which they demonstrated impressively. An incredibly dramatic structural failure. But most importantly, the driver escaped without injury. A close call, but a fortunate outcome. Attempting to load heavy machinery on uneven terrain is a recipe for disaster. Gravity doesn't forgive mistakes when that much weight is involved. Handling molten rock requires extreme precision and composure. Each movement carries immense risk, demanding not only technical skill, but unwavering nerve under volatile natural conditions. You don't even want to think about how brutal that cleanup was. Pure chaos turned into hours of back-breaking work. Man, that gave me chills. Watching him fight to hold on to what little he had left, it just breaks your heart. Imagine facing sub-zero winds while hauling a 50-ton beast trapped in solid ice. That's not a job, it's survival with a winch. Oh no. It might be a good idea to place some wooden planks underneath for better support.
Made in the USA.
It's clear this operator really knows the Caterpillar D8R. Controlling its weight and adjusting the blade like that takes years of practice. And the way he keeps perfect traction, that's not by chance. It's because he understands the ground and knows exactly what the Dozer can handle. Take a look at the Lee Turo L 1850 in action. 33 cubic yards of pure muscle in that bucket. This beast doesn't just move dirt, it owns the job site. But don't be fooled. Piloting a giant like this takes serious skill and reflexes honed over years. The issue appears to stem from the front wheel. Its small size makes it prone to damage. A design revision would significantly improve durability.
Cuidado de baixo, hein?
It looked hopeless. John Deere buried to the axles in sludge. But then came Matthias, calmly rolling in with his case, IH, and a trailer wagon, and 5 minutes later, the Deere was free. That's grit and gear working in harmony. Sadly, my air conditioner has seen better days. What a tragic end. Among the earliest EX 8000 units deployed in Australia, this machine marked a significant milestone in mining advancement. Weighing over 1.88 million pounds, it played a pivotal role in scaling up nickel extraction, showcasing the evolution of heavy-duty excavation technology. A sudden water overflow caused a tractor to become submerged in a canal tunnel. Fortunately, the driver escaped unharmed, and emergency responders arrived promptly. The contrast in skill was obvious. The first operator demonstrated refined control and efficiency, while the second appeared inexperienced, struggling to manage the dozer effectively from the outset. This incident highlights the critical importance of secure load anchoring. A 100,000-pound machine on an incline requires not only engine power, but also precise weight distribution and restraint. Well, that tire waved the white flag. Game over. Maybe adding some wooden planks underneath would help support it better. Smoke was detectable from approximately 800 meters away, indicating a severe fire. Cab interiors can exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit within minutes during such events, posing serious risks to operators.
Stop! The motor! The motor! Behind me!
Many veteran operators mastered heavy machinery through years of hands-on experience, rather than digital interfaces. The individual operating the D9G demonstrates skills honed by practical knowledge, acquired through countless hours in the field, not from instruction manuals.
Одним словом, четра.
Te ilyen hülyeséget még találják ki, bassz meg!
Nem mondj neki, mert megcsinálom.
Hát nézd meg a hülye, bassz meg! Ez mekkora barom!
Only someone with that much spare time could manage to steer straight into a ditch, then trip over his own mess. What on earth caused that? Don't tell me it was an earthquake.